In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to boost your website's visibility with HostGator's SEO and marketing tools. Whether you're just starting out or looking to enhance your online presence, these steps will provide you with a solid foundation to reach a wider audience. Let's dive right in. First up, if you're a HostGator user, take advantage of the SEO and marketing tools that they offer. These tools are designed to help you optimize your site for better search engine rankings, driving more traffic your way. Explore the dashboard to find features that can analyze your site's current SEO state, suggest improvements, and even automate certain elements of your SEO strategy. By understanding the demand for your services and using these tools, you're already taking the first step toward effective website promotion. Next, it's time to submit your website to directories and social platforms. This is crucial for increasing your online footprint. What does this mean? Well, directories are like digital yellow pages where businesses are listed by category. By submitting your site to these directories, think Google My Business, Bing Places, or local niche directories, you increase its visibility and improve your website's chances of appearing in search results. Don't forget about social platforms either. Sharing your website on sites like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Instagram helps drive traffic and engage with a broader audience. The key is to make sure all your business details are accurate and consistent across all platforms. Moving on, creating valuable content should be a priority. Quality content is not just about quantity, it's about offering something of value to your audience. When you produce well-researched, insightful, or entertaining content, you naturally attract backlinks from other websites. Backlinks are very important because search engines see them as votes of confidence in your content. The more quality websites that link back to your site, the higher it can rank in search results. Consider creating a blog or a tips section on your website where you regularly post engaging articles relevant to your industry. This can help establish your site as an authority in its field, further improving visibility. Finally, utilize HostGator's integrations with SEO tools to keep track of your backlinks. These integrations can offer comprehensive reports on who's linking to your website, which helps you understand where your traffic is coming from and identify new collaboration opportunities. Monitoring backlinks is an ongoing process that ensures your SEO strategy is on the right track and keeps your site in optimal health in the eyes of search engines. By following these steps, you're well on your way to enhancing your website's SEO and marketing strategy. Remember, consistency is key. Keep optimizing, stay engaged with your audience, and continue creating content that adds value. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.